Good morning, everyone. In 12th class, again, I am taking revision, and today's topic of revision is computer network. Okay, computer network. What is the network? You know that, and some advantage, disadvantage you should know. So, if the question is coming, what is the network and why is it needed, or mention one advantage of networking. So definition of internet network. You see these definitions of everything I've given, but as we have online classes, we have to continue. So that's why I'm taking today this questions here, this question answer format. What is network and why is it needed? Mention any one advantage of networking. A network is an interconnected collection of autonomous computers that can share and exchange information. So this is the definition you have already got. Major reasons that emphasize on the need of networks, that's advantage, resource sharing, reliability, reduced cost, and fast communication. Okay, these are the advantages. If someone asks about write some disadvantages, so what disadvantage you will write? Normally we know that networking के advantages ज़्यादा है, but still if you want to write, so you can write the basic installation cost is high. Okay, knowledge of computer is required. Okay, and then in remote area transmission problem may occur, villages and all where the facilities are not given, there we cannot use the internet. ISP provider is required. So this type of disadvantage you can write some in case they ask you. What are the types of transmission medium? They ask. If, so you know that there are two types of transmission medium. One is guided, another is unguided. So guided transmissions are the cables, where the unguided are the waves. Okay. So guided they are provide one twisted pair coaxial cable, fiber optics. Now out of this, if they ask which is the fastest one, you of course you will write optical fiber. Optic fiber is the fastest cable network. And if they ask if we want to compromise on speed and want to compromise on cost, that means cost should be low, then which guided media we should use? So of course you write coaxial cable. Normally this cable is used in telephone cabling, telephone network, but now it is not much in use. Of course coaxial cable is still used, but now this is the age of fiber optics. Most of you are having optical fiber and cable, fiber optic cable network. Next is your unguided media. Unguided media, you know that works on waves, radio waves, microwave, and satellite wave. This all works on the different frequencies that's known as hertz. So when the megahertz reaches to certain frequency, the radio wave signals to the microwave, and then microwave to the satellite wave. Definitions, beta, I have already given. So in the question answer format today, I am taking this class, and this is just a revision class. Then they ask another question, थोड़ा सा change करके, what is the communication channel? Communication channel mean the connecting cables, communication channel that link various workstations. And then they ask what choices do you have while choosing a communication channel for a network. So you write a twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optics. A little bit definition you write it here. In next question, if they ask what is NIC, NIC stands for Network Interface Card. So NIC stands for Network Interface Card. It is also known as Network Adapter भी बोलते हैं बेटा इसे. It is in the form of add-in card installed for any networking local area network. Especially we need NIC card. Okay. And each NIC card has a MAC address. I have already explained what is the MAC address. So the address for a device, as it is identified at MAC address, stands for Media Access Control. MAC, Media Access Control. MAC address is usually stored in ROM on the network adapter card and is unique. So each network card has unique, and this is decided by the manufacturer. कि कोई भी दो सेम नहीं हो, दैट इज मैक एड्रेस. अब एक क्वेश्चन और याद दिया, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बिट रेट एंड बॉड रेट? बिट रेट इज द नंबर ऑफ बिट्स ट्रांसमिटेड ड्यूरिंग 1 सेकेंड. whereas baud rate refers to the number of signal units as per second that are required to be represent those bits. So baud rate is equals to hota hai beta bit rates divided by n. N is number of bits. So baud rate is equals to bit rate divided by n, and n is number of bits. Then they ask you what is bandwidth. Every line has an upper limit and lower limit on the frequency of signals. The limit range is called the bandwidth. Upper limit and lower limit range is called the bandwidth. Next question is, what are the different types of networking devices? Different types of inter-networking devices are, अगर वो कहते हैं वैसे normally this type of questions hardly comes up. Still they ask, then you write some networking devices such as repeater, and then bridges, then router, then gateway, switch, hub, etc. So definitions you have already got. What is the difference between hub, switch and router? Hub, switch और router में difference क्या है? So definitions, if you know, you write all that definition, that will be the difference. Okay, just a minute. Here I will take some questions and I will draw and explain. This type of question may come in your examination, and 3 to 4 marks, 4 5 marks, you will 4 marks to I success. So I will make this and then I'll explain. So I'll start word for it. वहां पे मैं आपको थोड़ा explain करके बताता हूँ. एक मिनट इसमें भी कैपेसिटी होगी. Share, annotate. Just a minute. ये अपलोड हो चुका है, इसको चेक कर लेते हैं. Not much change is required. 690. ठीक है. Okay, I will start word only. Share screen. Word. This is sorry. Word app store. Word app. So this question is, bias methodology is planning to expand. If you have a book, then it is in your question answer part. Bias methodology is planning to expand and networking in India with 3 cities in India build infrastructure for research and development of their medical product. The company has planned to set up their main office in Pune city at 3 different locations and have named their offices as Bank of Research and Development Unit. The company has proposed research of the next product in Mumbai and the layout of the same is as follows. So the layout of the explain. So I will make this layout of insert different type of symbols and it will be a shape. So a big rectangular shape I am taking here as given in your shapes. Follow Now in this, again, I will take this type of shape. कोई भी shape ले लो यहाँ पर. And this I will write here X box already. The big shape dot X box. Here. And here I will write corporate unit Mumbai. Mumbai. ठीक. M वगैरह जो है Mumbai. Okay. Next is your ठीक है. और इसको थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंड कर देते हैं अपनी वैल्यूज को. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट इज योर and here I will take it to text box. Text. Insert. Shape. Here I have and then 3 units I have to take, so I will take 3 additional shapes here. One here. Okay. And then I will take one here. And one I will take from here. More shapes are there, you can take the different shape example now. You take a problem. One shape submit. And here I will go on so that I will write something. Research lab, RES, research lab. Here I will take a text box and this one I will write back office, back of F back office, and then here I will take development unit. Okay, shortcut I have taken. So these are the different things. This is question from the book itself. Then here they have given approximate Let's go message journey. Now, I will take some questions here. Approximate distance between these offices as follows. Research office to the land bank office. Okay. Research office to the bank office is different. I don't think too much view, Yeah, this one word. मेरे लिए word करना लोगों को कितना आसान होता है. I'm basically a programmer जिससे आप word में काम करते हैं. So here I will write something. So research lab distance, approximate distance between research office, research lab and back office. Back office is 110 meters. Then next is your research lab and development office development unit is 16 kilometers. Then research lab and corporate unit is 1800 km. Then back office and development unit is 13 kilometers. 13 किलोमीटर. ओके. इसके बाद उन्होंने क्या डिफाइन किया है डिस्टेंस का नंबर ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. This to be kept in different offices or different units. Number of computers. तो इन्होंने यहाँ पे लिखा है रिसर्च लैब 158 computers. Then next they have written here back office. How many computers they have? 79 computers. Okay. Development unit. They have computers. 90 computers. Development unit. 90 computers. And then corporate office. They have 51 computers. Now questions आएगा आपका. Suggest the kind of network required. LAN, WAN. The first question. I'm not going to type everything. अब आप क्वेश्चन में से नोट कर लेना. इतना मैंने कर लिया. That's enough. Okay. Now the first question they have given here. Suggest the kind of network required out of LAN, WAN for connecting each of the following office unit. तो अब उन्होंने क्या बोला है रिसर्च लैब एंड बैक ऑफिस. इसके लिए लैन चाहिए, वैन चाहिए, वैन चाहिए. तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल राइट इट एज लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क लैन. क्यों लैन चाहिए? रिसर्च लैब एंड बैक ऑफिस का डिस्टेंस देखो. रिसर्च लैब एंड बैक ऑफिस 100 किलोमीटर only. So LAN network will work with some cable and it will work. Research lab and development. Research lab and development unit. Research lab and development unit. That is your again land is required. Research lab just a minute. कितना distance है 16 kilometer. Development unit 16 so it is by area the land metropolitan area land. So one is land answer, another is metropolitan area. Which of the following devices is suggested for connecting all the computers within each of their objects? अब इनमें सब में more than one computers हैं. In order to connect, option है switch, hub, modem, telephone. The switch hub is required. Switch hub is question is which one of the following devices is suggested for connecting all the computers within each of their office units? So all the office units are having more than one computer. That is the back of the operating unit or having more than one computer. In order to connect one computer, we need hub switch. So answer will be hub. The options are getting hub switch, modem, telephone. So answer is hub switch. Next question is which of the following communication media you will suggest to be procured by the company for connecting their local office units in Pondicherry for very effective high-speed communication? Options are given here. High-speed telephone cable, optical fiber, Ethernet cable. Obviously, optical fiber, high-speed network. So effective high-speed. So answer is optical fiber. Next is your suggest cable link out for connecting the company's local office units in Pondicherry. Also suggest an effective method technology for connecting the company's office unit located in the home. अब इनको आपस में कनेक्ट करना है कैसे करेंगे और उसके बाद जो लास्ट है वो कैसे दिखाएंगे. तो अब आपका सिंपल वे लेआउट है जैसे मैं यहाँ पर आपको दिखाता हूँ. अब सिंपली आप यहाँ बेटा you just connect this to this and this to this. This to this. Simply एक लाइन लिखो. इससे क्लियर हो गया कि this is the layout of the line. This is how to the back of to the development unit. This layout is required. Okay, they ask you people the interest of the question. Very effective by high speed. So optical fiber अगर कहते तो okay थोड़ा water होगा चलेगा. Then you like axial integration or say very cheap, very low cost. Then you write your this one twisted cable. Suggest a table layout between the next is last question आपका है. Last question इसमें दिया हुआ है. Also suggest an effective method technology for connecting the company's office located in Mumbai. अब इसको effective होना चाहिए और cost factor के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे तो आप सीधे सीधे लिखेंगे ना satellite connection. Satellite connection. Okay. Hopefully the point is clear to you. So in today's revision class, I have taken the networking revision. Some definition question answers I have completed. In this type of question, normally they give you a figure, and according to that figure, they will ask you question. They can ask you one more question, which unit you will prefer for making it a server in Pondicherry area या Pondicherry location जो भी यहाँ पे Pondicherry office है ना facility here in the located in Pondicherry local office unit of Pondicherry local office unit in Pondicherry. इसमें आप इसको सर्वर करेंगे जब आप कंप्यूटर्स देखो कहां सबसे ज्यादा है. Lesson slab has 158. So likely lesson slab will be suggested to make as to work as server. Why? Because it has maximum number of computer. ये reason आपको देना पड़ेगा. ये आपकी reason दोस्तों. Okay, in some question they ask you to put this one. What do you call repeater? So where the repeaters are required, where the distance is more than 70 meter, 70 meters से ज़्यादा होते हैं 80, 90, 100, आप वहाँ पर repeater लगा दें to amplify the signal. Research lab and back office, research lab and back office 110 meter है. यहाँ पर आप चलिए पर यहाँ हमारा distance है back office. Back the office and development unit में 13 kilometers है. So obviously this will require a man, but still number of repeaters लगाने के 1000 है. But normally when they give you question, they give you distance in meters. Okay, hopefully the point is clear to you. There is no full repetition part. Next class I will make some more revision of chapter. Till then goodbye.